I followed the advice of the girl in the curling videos. You know which one? And I did like it. It's nice, but it's kind of stiff. Isn't it? It's like, I don't know, her hair looks fluffier, looser. Don't worry, that's called a cast, and I'll show you how to fix it. My beautiful people of all types of manes, long, short, curly, wavy, straight, neither curly nor straight, short, long, men, women, children, ladies, and all the people who need help with their manes. How are you doing? There is a problem, or rather I should say happy problem, common in the curly method community. I always recommend using either styling cream or curl activator for movement, shine, definition, and hold gel or mousse. So most likely and ideally, especially if you air dry, is that when it dries it should be stiff. You see, not so voluminous, defined, but stiff. It should even look wet. This is excellent, right? This means that your definition will last longer. And if you don't like this and you want it fluffier, it's very easy. You will take your fingers or your afro comb and you will lift roots with your fingers like this, or with the afro comb like this. I like it better with the afro comb, okay? Plus it feels really nice. We take it off carefully. You don't have to stretch much, just a little bit. Here. There, and then with both hands. Some people use a few drops of oil, I do not. I like to just use my hands, okay? You're going to scrunch and you're just going to break the cast, literally. I don't know if you can hear it. I mean, it's not as loud as the scrunch, but it does sound. And so you are going to do it until you finish breaking it, or until you say, oh, I like this volume. Now, be realistic. Don't expect that if, for example, you have hair like mine, it's going to make a beautiful volume, like an afro, okay? And then with the fringe, same thing, same story. There, like that. Shake. See, it still has a hard coat. I have a mirror here. I'm going to bring it closer so I don't go so far away when I use it. See, for example, here it still has cast. You can still keep shaking if you like the volume, like the girl in the videos. How I like to say that, haha. There, like this, there, and then bye-bye cast. Nice. The other day they retouched my haircut. I really liked it a lot. It fascinates me. Besides that it looks like modern, cool, without losing the length. Very good. I'm going to break all the hard layer so you can see the difference with the beginning, okay? Like this. Oh, how beautiful. And look, I see here some frizzy hairs. I've already told you several times that this frizz doesn't bother me. Not at all. It doesn't bother me at all. But if it bothers you, I'll teach you a little trick. You are going to take a little bit of gel like this, and you will caress. How do you see it? Do you notice the difference with regard to the beginning of this beautiful, simple, but curly life changer video? Isn't that right? It's super easy then. Don't even worry. It's not that you did it wrong. It's not that something weird happened in the recipe. On the contrary, you're doing it super well. Just break the hard layer, also known as breaking the cast or scrunch out the crunch. From the bottom of my heart, I hope this video works for you, reassure you and say, it was that easy. I take this opportunity to tell you that it is normal for the volume to go down. Just shake it. If you want me to react to your routine, follow me on TikTok. If you want to be closer to me in my daily life, follow me on Instagram or follow me on both, and there we will be together. See you in the next video.